Hi guys! So I got the lens I was talking about in my previous video and I'm so excited to unbox it today. This is the RF 100 to 400mm lens and it's my very first Canon lens. I bought it to use it with my R7 for mostly wildlife and bird photography. This lens is, in my opinion, great value for money if you look at the specs, but I'll see how well it performs when in use, which is probably what my next video will be about. It's a lot lighter than most other lenses with this reach. It weighs only 635 grams, which is great in my opinion. The lens seems to be of very high quality and feels well made, even though it's made of plastic to save weight, which I really appreciate. The only slight downside of this lens for me is probably the lack of weather sealing, but that's easy to overlook considering the price. The lens has 5.5 stops of optical image stabilization, which you need to turn on using the switch on the lens. I will keep autofocus on, of course. And then the last switch on the lens is a lock switch. The zoom ring feels very nice and precise, I have no complaints. There is also a manual focus ring as well as a control ring on the lens, both of which feel premium and they are on good locations. As I said, I will be using the lens with my R7. It will be mostly for bird and wildlife photography and I will test it and give my initial impressions in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!